nalilingan sa team. Habang ang kalangan yung Diyos sa sistem, ang sungsa kumuding, titingan niya siyang ang Punjab. Sasaway bang ang pal, sustaroy nga doon ngayang hak sa lajong. Wala nung sungkikir ng bebe siya katong, leka sa bangadan ng silot hamadan, kumukrawad ka reaching nung napranapag. Ey, buwan pagkantog, kumising ang pagsaya, kibang palingo, dagaktin bang akrir nga pampang ang pasbog, kumuday balap hantang syubang sa shows, na penting mga spin ako pirang ang trip. Ey, kung mga susa, trend betin, nakaktin na jok, na trend bang ibang jok, sip ka logs na, cingklip, cingklip, nusikap, yalan dito bang ihala kasap, tuyos kem, hanong rim, yakiway, what you up, yakatong bang tumugay, pinsalap, ino ken jigs new shadin, nginya kun kem jing artatin, sakler ban poin ngin yay minot ken sashi sele na kung perkat na yatit sa bahag alaway kung huli balaset kasnam lugar sa play hamadan nginya kun kada jing misnay kapani siya patay ikabor mapidan wanang pele na kung tila sing klakari prana pamon ay lay pandono jing ranyo kan chuba be yeah
Chill it, man. Yo, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? Shilong. Yeah, welcome back again. You're African back again, guys.
Gabs
African
Gabi,
boys.
Mr. Handsome.
Gabs Gabi, Mr. Handsome. Mr. Handsome.
Hey,
He's from Meghalaya, guys.
Yeah.
And this guy is from...
I'm from Meghalaya. How, man?
He's from Mizoram. He's from Mizoram. And I'm from Sikkim, okay? But we are from Africa.
I look like from Megal, guys, or what? Tell me.
Yeah, tell guys.
Tell
How do we look, guys? Do we look like African or Indian? Yeah. So today we are going to react. So many people suggested this video. A lot of the people actually, guys. The video title is called Nongkrem. Nongkrem Cyber Volume 1. So we are going to check it out, guys. This is Volume 1, official music video, Shillong, Meghalaya, India. Let's start, guys. Don't forget, subscribe,
Like, share.
Go. It's so hot, guys. Power just went off. No power now.
Bangadan, open along up again, but pendek, gading balalit, gapme, kukin el back away, game drop me, kanong adap na kaching sa shit, game masas, make in choka ba, manit kanong tiang, data kadang, kwa ba kasi ng siang, game menedong, kanong masasrong nga, CLC na mata, balay ba chulong tunga, kakalas yang tip siya, tung apel dot ni make back, tsaka baca, hadir nga sa laban, pabet ika, wala dak su tunga kabang, ring yan siyang, hadu bangan danang, hooy, di man pa iway, yeway, break ni barok long na ay, gun ta kaching sa pay, kacha balay, game real na slap. Gonna mix me ball, kalangan sirkay, comes near, baru yang nanti break sama bah, tak terang, siapa bah, kamu keki, kau mamaniam, so cray, I'm on baby bang, I'm on baby sneer, kata kacang hati langsung ubril, squat makin tok, squat makin no, kejuk ngatai, kalang dia ngadlap, help what you slap, I predict, ya kamu coklat, I pick you hit and drop, fuck on the flow, swap on the rap, things you play, and down.
Kadang kabet lah tayang fong, nama ngadam kacang kacang, awak ngadai tang ukna, ngadam kacang si fans kuat, ngakawan iki kang salah, kampai jadi baik kembaya, baca emlah salah, dibayang hasam cengah, kadang itu kunut saja no, kunut abah kemati kau sakit, keselam halak kesemalah damai, mati mana mandu pemrak, kacing kelalap katia, kamala di kau pesah kisah bentang itu longsa, tingkap bahar bapinah, bapinah, beli tanah nongkrong, ada bukan beli nongkrong, ada bukan wave now, beli tanah nongkrong, ada bukan wave now, push down, ada bukan wave now. Kita cuma derap.
Guys, just one thing, okay? We are just vibing with the beat. We don't understand. We don't understand Kasi, okay? But a lot of the people say check them out. So please make sure to explain something to us. We don't know Kasi. We don't know. We don't understand anything. At the end of the video, we'll tell you who really did the best according to our own point of view. Let's start.
Okay, play, bro.
Ngay thổ học ngay khăn thọc, ngắm chu dan por và ngăn thọc, ngating ya poi e shadu chak. Bara yang ngaki bishni, kibun kibriu yang ngaki be isi, ngam chu kan tam ni kan sni ki wait tamba bara yang ngaki kuat bok. Biya lempi ha perthei, shibun kibriu ke be bishni. Imat shibun chim pensai, singe ke chuan malakasi. Marui ngebitar Namar kibun kibolor ni Tambangan ja bitar Ngeja lah kacong kalinti Cingek kan wan ban penwet Ngamting bat nganong penret Lade kan wan man kisi Dalele nganong penret Minam ai la choi ki ching wan man kan la da ching im chong ngi Ngin terus perang man yele wa la ching dam kan wan tap yang ngi Ya dah la kalinti train la kacong kiti wan nam pasnya iki kaung baik bat ani Peci taki balani peci taki babs ni peci taki bakers ni jangan wan jualan ni ajak pang shikor wan man pengala rem Dekat sim sendrang mentah hangan ngajeng labun ki ching Kibun ki ching lengan pedang
Hey, DJ, just something. DJ is cooking here. DJ can the one going to rock. DJ, who is next? Who's coming next?
Yeah, balai ngaya elenti ke bodong no persiap bangan light ni kejiri ke bakum kisyak la gitar yang ngaki wandung ke lenti lu ke kem ngam flight bangan rong nasung yak ngas tight na cencarang kuat light nasung yam sujal bodong wan pelak nalikin ke jabe marwai ngam nak banjang bak no kiu man kesini ke man ken ke terpeng ya elenti yang ngaki keren ben kat ke bangan lek yang ngaki ken ben obat uding ngaya pun badu pesan ngam nak bang kesan ngas no ban kelem kan cikran cikenok ngas tight bang sengap mah ngala so tight bangan up ya cing suk dalile yang pelap mani wat ngas no ku man yap Jingek kiwana ke jingem jing cicar kiban malasing syatim ya elenti la syubun ma jing kut jing lek ke bacur ngas ngau sat kelut ngam sulak ngenyang ngas ngau ban kelon lebun tak jingek nak kadem nak keman penukan menyerap penukan dan pelai syaniak tak pelai nak jaban pelai ya tujuan tujuan bantap yang ngai korban hat ini ban kom ya
This guy.
Harap om tang mga suk tenang dan renga iya kang abat kumbas kena bikin laiklan kum tangaru ya kang abat haleha kum kaneklan kaplay badan haga cing perkat kum badang rek ngi gecap pada ki mujah bagi setenang kita sembah ya kasap kapong rukum cungin lek entah ki ong hana ba ikum kai pelerix bato da perkat jenai ki ki bangala tua bani it paras nampang doh ya ki syuhun dan syuhun so tak syuhun bebas siapa bai om skill visga julawesya eka bapernai sange jing di buai stok bat kencang kini pejot no ya pianga kilong maki ki sui kesha bepejot yang iki kun semula pas sang bele ya ki kam telah ki kam triam ki kam kencang haoi ngaru ngadan runa ngadep ngadeng pun ki jing bakla lada pim seu ya dei was seu ye ya kata ngam teu da lele henre nganget tak kene ke way bangin ja MT to play
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Producer Alexi
The boss is here now.
balakad bandar mentah kaniga cypher
Yeah, Steve.
kaniga dina mentah kun kasibaro ngumdai beneran pempau ya la kacong kasap
Bro.
hey dalele yang setim apa kalian yang jasa sistem yang sangsa kemudian lagi kiangan yang syongan penjab sasawai bangan pal sustaroi ngadeng ngayang hak salah cong wala nung suki kian ngambe besa katong le kasap bangat dengan selut hamadan kubu kelawat kari cindong naprak naprak hey bangan tuk kumisi ngapen saja kibang pelengok dekak tin bangan keren ngapen bangan besbok kemudai balap hontang subang bisa shows ngapen tin bangan spin hobi bangan
Why bro? Why rolling around here?
Ino kencing new shadin ngin kun kencing artatin sakler ban poin ngin ya binot ken saksi sele na ek berkat de tit sabha we guli balasek kesnam lu kasaflay hamadan ngin kun kencing misne to peni seperti kabor ba fidan wan pen le na ek tira sing klakari prana phamon ai le pendono jing ranyo ken chu ba be yeah
Kill it, man. Kill it, man.
The DJ.
The DJ.
Yeah.
Shout out to the DJ. Shout out to the mic. MK is the best. MK. We are coming to see you guys. Damn shit, they just cook it, man. They cook that shit. Damn, bro. Damn, man. Damn. That shit is lit, man. It's lit.
We didn't understand anything, guys, but we really
We
enjoyed
love it, we
music
enjoy it,
and
man.
DJ also. Yeah,
See, they said music is the language of the world.
Yeah.
So it's not
Exactly.
important for us to understand the meaning.
Yeah, exactly, bro.
It's lit, something lit. You know what? How it's lit? First of all, shout out to the DJ. The DJ, like the beats.
Yeah, yes.
The beat is properly.
He's good. He's good.
Yeah, the mixing, the beats is properly well with the lyric.
Yeah.
How people was speaking is well arranged with the beat, guys. And I'm just so proud of MK, my nigga. Mike, the real MK, man. You're the real nigga, man. I love his lyrics, though I don't understand. Who are? MK, yeah, MK did really best. They all perform well, but my favorite is MK, man. We are coming soon to Meghalaya. Let us know from where are you guys staying. We'll come and visit you. We'll do collaboration. African feed MK or feed all the cyber guys. So shout out guys, tell us who's the best here and tell us much more about them guys. Love from Africa. Subscribe, join the African family now.
Okay.
Love you.